Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain you how to get lower ping in League of Legends. So I have here a list with different tips. Now the first one is to use a wired connection. One of the best ways to reduce ping is to switch from Wi-Fi to wired. Internet cables are cheap and provide a more stable and faster connection than wireless networks. The second one is to close background applications. Applications running in the background can consume your network bandwidth, leading to higher ping. The third one is to choose the right server. Playing on a server closer to your location can significantly reduce your ping. For example, if you live in North America, choose the North American server instead of the European or Asian servers. The fourth one is to upgrade your internet plan. The fifth one is to check firewall and installation issues. Ping issues can sometimes be caused by firewall problems or improper installation. The last one is to optimize your network settings. So make sure to update your network adapter drivers to the latest versions, prioritize League of Legends traffic using your router's QoS, and forward the appropriate ports for League of Legends in your router settings. So these are some tips and tricks on how to get lower ping. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.